Are these appetizers guaranteed to get you into the spirit of summer? More like cat days of summer, am I right? Cat days of summer. That's it?
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make 3 summer appetizers. Appetizers. Little appetizers. Let's appetize each other. You can call them appetizers or d'oeuvres. It's a cruel, cruel, cruel summer. Leaving me here on my own, it's a cruel. First up, deceased mine watermelon. Let's cut some watermelon. What was the biggest scandal in the fruit world? Watermelon gate. Reveal. I don't know the best way to peel a watermelon, so I'm just gonna do it this way and we'll see what happens, okay? We're on this journey together, guys. Remove its skin. These parts are not needed. Watermelon's so good. Do you think the Avatar could bend watermelon? Yeah. What do you call a melon that breaks the fourth wall? Ryan Reynolds, the Deadpool joke. Papa, can you hear me? References. I have them. All the watermelon. All the watermelon. Let me know in the comments section if you have an idea of what to do with a lot of watermelon. Time to figure it out. Telling you guys, this next recipe is unfig-unbelievable. Watermelon. Cut the tips off, just the tips. Cut off the tippies. Cut off the tips. Cut your figs in half. Figure it out. Get yourself some prosciutto. Make sure it's good first. It's good. Prosciutto's so good. Now wrap your fig in a prosciutto. In a single prosciutto. Prosciutto. Much like my friends, these are just a figment of my imagination. Get yourself some chives. Shame. Shame. Little tiny slices of chives. You're gonna be our garnish later. And I will always love you. Bread makes you fat? Oh no. We're gonna drizzle with a little bit of oil. Oops, maybe a little bit less. Toast your bread. Get yourself a filet mignon. I'm gonna put a bit of salt on the filet mignon. Little freshl pups. And a little bit of garlic powder. Garlic powder. SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Easy, nothing else. Nothing else goes on. Nothing. A lot of steak here. Clean. Woo! And do a medium high-ish heat. A little bit of oil. Once it's really hot, you're gonna put it in. Woo! That's the sound you want. You want to hear that. Well, no, it's the whole way. Like consistent. Salazar Slytherin. Okay. Get a little crust going. Crush your garlic. You know what you did, garlic. Now flip it. Ooh, that's pretty. Turn down the heat a little bit. I'm gonna put in a little bit of butter. Throw in our garlic. Now we're cooking with portals, and we're just gonna baste our steak. Baste, baste, baste. Some would call me a master baster. Now pull it off. Ooh, it's a lot of smoke. Now we're gonna let this rest for a little bit. I pull it off around 120, 125, because it's gonna keep cooking until it gets to about 135, and then it'll be beautiful. Time for you to rest. F off, smoke. Get yourself some burrata. Burrata, it's cold in here. There must be some clovers in the atmosphere. Bring it on. Little burrata slices. Let's cut that steak. Yeah. Perfect. Taste it to make sure. Cut against the grain. Let's skewer a little bit of watermelon. Let's start off with some of this burrata. Put the burrata on the crustini. Take a little slice of steak. Fun little bites for everyone, okay? A little Tajin on the watermelon. Trust. Whoop. Little drizzle of honey on top of the prosciutto. Couple chives on top. And a little pinch of Montreal Steak spice on top of the steak. And that's it. Little summer appetizers. Yeah. And now we eat. I'm gonna start with you, Mr. Crustini. Steak is good. Fig and prosciutto. Oh, so good. And a little bit of watermelon with Tajin. Again. I wonder if Tajin would sponsor me. And another crustini just to make sure. Come on. Easy summer appetizers. A little bit of hot sauce because hot sauce is good. Yes, please. Bye, friends.